Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 1.5% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Oil prices regained some ground in Asian trade amid concerns over attacks on shipping in the Red Sea and growing expectations that cuts to US interest rates will take longer than thought. Hedge funds sold more than bought stocks last week as the main US stock indexes posted a loss after 5 consecutive weeks of gains, Bank of America said. Hedge funds net sold roughly $2 billion in US shares. Nvidia's fourth quarter earnings could trigger a broader correction for equities and crypto if it fails to live up to the hype. AI-related tokens such as Ocean and FET may also trade off Nvidia's earnings and outlook for the sector.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US initial jobless claims will be released at 13:30 GMT. The US Chicago Fed National Activity Index at 13:30 GMT. The Eurozone's ECOFIN meeting at 0700 hours GMT. The French business climate in manufacturing will be released at 0745 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.